modeling graphics. In this tutorial, you'll be learning how to design Valentine night party flyer designs. And in this tutorial, you will learn a lot. I'll click on the new project layers, then get started with the tutorial. Then you go on imports. I want to import the resources I'm going to be using. Or this is not the resources. All right. This. Yeah. All right. This and this. Yeah. Then I want to import the design so that we can guide us. Yeah. If you have not done the subscribe, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. This modeling graphics is here for you, just to help you. All right. You want to do that and subscribe to the YouTube channel. All right. Then I want to import the background. This background. All right. Let me hide all this. The front. All right. Let's click on the background. Let's increase the size to 100. Then we align it. All right. Then you are clicking on the image. Sorry. Let's lock the background. Click on this to increase the size of the lady. Anything. All right. Let's see. Then we are going to go to the pen, draw pen. Then we are going to tap on the pen. I'm going to I'm going to increase the size. All right. Then you are going to tap on the screen. Then click on something. Now I'm going to do that. I hope you are following the tutorial. Just to cover this thing. We are going to redraw the thing again. Increase the size of the pencil to 68. The last something. All right. Then tap on the screen. All right. Let me Then we are going to increase. Right? Are you following the tutorial? Right? Valentine. Right? We are going to do sticker. Going to click on the sticker. Then you tap on the screen. Tap on the color red. Just to spice it up the design. Alright. Spice it up the design. Then start typing the text. Let me lock everything. Tap on Valentine. Tap on the text. Right. What is wrong with this one? Valentine. Valentine. I got it. Alright. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. We are here for you. We are here to work together. Alright. Then always regular. You want to do that and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Alright. February 14. We are going to use regular font. Okay. We girls. Then No, I did time over. I'm not doing sorry, brick. And we are going to make this capital letter. Then we copy again. Slither Lodge of Ajana. Suiza Swiss Lodge. Major problem ta ní ìgbà tó tó lọ́yọ̀. Fischler. Àyìn bá ìtẹ̀síwájú. Slither Lodge. Lodge of Ajana. Ajale Koko of Ajale Koko of Ajale Koko. Boston. Yanu. Ambode. Ambo. Ikeja Lagos. Ikeja Lagos. You want to do well to do the subscribe button, click the notification bell in order to see more video coming. You want to do that? You're not done with the tutorial? Don't click that button. Are you writing? Don't skip this video. Alright? Don't want to miss the next one. Then click on color red. Color red is on your default button. Alright, you can see the vibe on the tutorial. Then you click on save as PNG and Ultra. Then you click on save. If you like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel and also click the notification bell. Thank you. We meet in the next tutorial.